Welcome back everyone. In my last video I was talking about some important IDE integration development environment which we can use to writing a code properly, and that last part of the video I was mentioning. Next video I will prepare about searching algorithm like a linear search or binary search. Linear search and binary search are very important topic to search something, and in daily life when we are going to search anything we should use any of them. Today I will discuss about linear search. For an example, I am writing one array. Data type is int and the array can be like this. This is the array, and this array is unsorted array. Remember it, in linear search we can work with unsorted array also, and we will try to find out one specific element using algorithm. Before I start coding, I want to discuss about the main concept. It's unsorted array. For an example, this is array and the variable name is data type is int, and this is the array notation. You can use it after the data type also, no problem, or you can use like previous. Now our target is finding 8 value with its index. How we can do it? Always remember, array start from index 0. Array always counting from index 0, like after that it's increasing one by one. So this is our unsorted array, and through the linear search you can work with unsorted array and sorted array, but the time complexity of linear search algorithm is big O(n). Now I will show how we can implement it using Java language. It takes some time to open IDE. I was talking about it, but I am using IntelliJ Ultimate version, it's paid version, but you can use community version, it's also fine. I already implemented it, but now I will implement it again with you. What was the condition? We should find out one specific number, like what these. At first I should define method. Public static. Why I am calling static? Because I want to use it in the main method, that's why. And because it will return integer value, because because it will give us the index number according to our target. I am using variable function name linear search 1 because I already did it one time in the same class. So now I am defining array, and I should also define another variable. What is my target? After that, I should use for loop and I should define array length and -1. Why -1? I should explain it because I already mentioned array will start to count from 0. So if we will input 5 element, then it will start count from 0, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Until 4 we are getting our 5 elements. So that's why we should define -1. That means it will give us exactly 5 elements. So now we will check. For checking condition, we should use conditional statement like if array. Now I am defining array value because I already insert all array value inside the for loop equal to target. If our array value is inside the array length, then we will get output, then return index number. If it's not, then we have to return -1. Why -1? Because we already mentioned it will give us output about integer variable. So if I will not get my targeted value inside the array length, then it will return -1. If I will get my target inside the array length, then it will return index number. So now we should go to the main method and for checking is it working or not. For an example, I can do it here and I can comment it out. Linear search 1. You see, I already defined one array. Array element is 6, 7, 8, 23, 52, 9, 43. It's unsorted array. As you can see, it's not maintaining order lower to higher. So we can say it's unsorted array. So our target is to get 9 integer. Where 9 is situated, which integer value 9 is taking. Now we can count 0. In 0 index is 6, index number 1 7, index number 2 8, index number 3 23, index number 4 52, and index number 5 9. Then we should get output index number 5 according to our algorithm. Now we can run the application. You see, we get index number 5. Now for recap, I can explain again. This is our method. We declare one method linear search 1, and we inside the method we define one array and one target targeted value using data type integer. Targeted value needs a variable name. After that I use for loop, and inside the for loop I assign all array values elements inside the for loop. After that I was checking conditional statement using if array index number 1 equal to target, then it will return the index number. If not, then it will return 1. If it will not get in the index number 0 position, then it will increment. This is the incrementing position. Later it will check index number 1, index number 2, index number 3 through this condition. So after that we are getting this output. This is implementing with Java. If you want to implement this same problem with Python, you can also do it. It's almost similar, not too much different. So I think that's it for today. In our next video we will talk about binary search, which is very important and which is faster than linear search. And follow my channel, of course, subscribe and stay with me to get update. Thank you very much. Take care.